In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu Cash on Delivery not working. If you've been trying to place an order on Temu and notice that the cash on delivery option is missing or not working properly, this guide will help you understand why it happens and what you can do to fix it. Cash on delivery, often called COD, is not always available for every region or every order, so there are a few important things you need to check before the payment method will appear during checkout. To begin, open the Temu app on your mobile device or access the Temu website using your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer. Once you're inside the app or website, start the checkout process by adding products to your cart and proceeding toward payment. During checkout, carefully look through the list of available payment methods to see whether cash on delivery appears as an option. One important thing to remember is that COD availability depends heavily on your location. Some regions support cash on delivery, while others do not because of delivery limitations or local shipping policies. Because of this, the first thing you should verify is your shipping address. Go into your account settings and double-check that your address information is accurate and updated correctly. Even a small mistake in the address details can sometimes prevent certain payment options from appearing. If your address is correct and COD should normally be available in your area, the next step is to clear temporary app or browser data. If you are using the Temu app, go into your phone settings and clear the app cache. If you are shopping through Chrome or another browser, clear your cookies and browsing cache from the browser privacy settings. Temporary files and saved data can occasionally interfere with updates or payment options, especially after app changes or regional updates. Once the cache or cookies have been cleared, completely close the Temu app or browser and reopen it again before attempting another checkout. You should also make sure that you are using the latest version of the Temu app. Outdated app versions can sometimes cause features or payment methods to display incorrectly. Visit your app store, search for Temu, and install any available updates before trying again. If you still cannot access cash on delivery after completing all these steps, the best option is to contact Temu customer support directly. Their support team can review your account, confirm whether COD is supported in your region, and help identify any account-related issues preventing the payment method from appearing. And that's how you can troubleshoot and fix Temu cash on delivery not working during checkout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.